Hello friends, here we have question 2 sine square x plus 3 sine x plus 1 which is equal to 0. It is a quadratic form of trigonometric equation and we have to find the value of x from 0 to 2 pi. So it is a quadratic equation. So sum will be equal to this 3 and product will be equal to 1 times 2, so product will be equal to 2. We will also apply here quadratic formula and we find the values of sine x. So from here we will apply midterm break formula, midterm break method. So we have to take factors of this 2. So factors of 2 are 2 and 1. So plus 2 and plus 1 will be equal to 3, which means sum is 3. And its multiplication will be equal to 2 and product is 2. So we will use these factors. So it will be equal to 2 sine square x and we will replace 3 sine x plus 2 sine x and plus 1 sine x. Plus sine x and this plus 1 is as it is, which is equal to 0. So from here we have 2 and 2 is common and sine x is also common. Now we have left just 1 sine x power of 1 plus 2 sine x is common, so we have remaining 1 and from here we have 1 is common, sine x plus 1 which is equal to 0. Now here we have two terms. First term is this and second term is this. So from these two terms we have sine x plus 1 and sine x plus 1 is common. Now we have left 2 sine x plus 1 which is equal to 0. So from here we have two factors which are equal to 0. So from here we have two cases which are sine x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2 sine x plus 1 which is equal to 0. From here we have sine x is equal to negative 1 and from here we have 2 sine x plus 1 negative 1 and both sides subtract with negative 1. So we get 2 sine x which is equal to negative 1 and dividing both sides by 2, so we get sine x is equal to negative 1 divided by 2. Now we have to find the values of x in radian. So we will make a graph and find the values of x. So it is x plane and it is y plane. Its point is positive 1 and here point is positive 1 and it is a negative 1 and it is also a negative 1 and we make a circle. Okay, now here we have two values, sine x is negative 1 and minus 1 divided by 2. So we know that we have sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So here my negative 1 divided by 2 is our perpendicular and 1 is hypotenuse. So negative 1 divided by 2 is approximately here. So it will be its perpendicular and here it will make an angle and it is our right angle triangle. So it will make a 30-degree angle and similarly negative 1 divided by 2 is here, so it will be its opposite and here it is 30 degree. Okay, now plot the points. Perpendicular is here, which is it is negative 1 divided by 2, and it is its hypotenuse 1. Similarly, its perpendicular is negative 1 by 2 and its hypotenuse is 1. Okay, now this half circle is equal to 180 degree. It is equal to 180 degree, and we will add 30 degree more, so it will become 180 degree minus 30 degree, which will be equal to 180 degree plus 30 degree, so it will be equal to 210 degree. Now we will convert our degree into radian, so it will become 210 degree divided by 180 degree by 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. 3 7 times 21, 3 6 times 18. So from here we have our first value of x, which is 7 divided by 6 pi, and from here we have this circle till here, so whole circle will be equal to 360 degree, and from 360 we will subtract this 30 degree, so it will become 360 degree minus 30 degree, which is equal to 330 degree. So 330 degree divided by 180 degree by, we will convert this degree into radian, so 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. 3 6 times 18, 3 11 times 33, so it will become 11 divided by 6 pi. We get our second value of x. Now from here sin x is equal to minus 1, we will get negative 1 is here, so it makes here perpendicular and its hypotenuse is this, so 1, and its hypotenuse is here 1, so 90 degree, this angle is 90, so from 360 degree minus 90 degree, we get 270 degree. Now divide it into 180 degree by 0 and 0. 3 9 times 27, 3 6 times, 3 3 times, 3 2 times, so it will become 3 divided by 2 pi. So from this quadratic equation we get our values of x in radian, which are 7 divided by 6 pi, 11 divided by 6 pi, and 3 divided by 2 pi. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.